Innovations in the AI world. Features of new AI neural networks. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, has experienced remarkable growth and transformation in recent years, largely due to innovations in neural networks. These innovations have not only accelerated the development of AI technologies, but have also expanded their capabilities and applications. In this article, we will explore some of the most exciting features of new AI neural networks that are shaping the future of AI. Deep learning architectures. One of the most significant innovations in the AI world is the development of deeper and more complex neural network architectures. These architectures, often referred to as deep learning models, have demonstrated exceptional performance across various domains. Deep learning models such as convolutional neural networks, CNNs, for image processing, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, for sequential data, have paved the way for breakthroughs in computer vision, natural language processing, and more. Transfer learning is a technique that leverages pre-trained models to solve new tasks or domains with minimal fine-tuning. This innovation has made AI more accessible and efficient. Models like BERT, GPT-3, and ResNet have demonstrated the power of transfer learning by achieving state-of-the-art results on various tasks, from language translation to image recognition. These models serve as a starting point for developers, saving time and computational resources. Generative adversarial networks, GANs. Generative adversarial networks have transformed the AI landscape by enabling machines to generate content that is remarkably close to human-produced work. GANs consist of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, that compete against each other. This adversarial process results in the creation of high-quality images, text, and even audio. Applications range from creating realistic art to generating synthetic data for training other AI models. Self-supervised learning. Self-supervised learning is a paradigm where AI models learn from unlabeled data, eliminating the need for extensive manual labeling. By predicting parts of the data from other parts, models like contrastive learning and triplet loss networks have shown incredible potential. Self-supervised learning is particularly valuable in domains where labeled data is scarce or expensive to obtain, such as medical imaging or natural language understanding. Interpretable AI. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into various aspects of our lives, the need for transparency and interpretability is growing. Innovations in neural networks now include methods for making AI models more interpretable. Techniques like attention mechanisms and explainable AI, XAI, are enabling us to understand how AI makes decisions, making it easier to trust and control AI systems in critical applications such as healthcare and finance. Federated learning privacy and data security are major concerns in AI development. Federated learning allows AI models to be trained on decentralized data sources without sharing sensitive information. This innovation is crucial for healthcare, finance, and other industries that handle sensitive data. Neural networks can now collaborate and improve without compromising individual privacy, opening new possibilities for AI applications. Neuromorphic computing. Inspired by the human brain, neuromorphic computing seeks to develop AI models that can process information with remarkable efficiency and low power consumption. These neural networks mimic the structure and functioning of neurons, potentially revolutionizing edge computing and IoT devices by enabling AI to run locally on resource-constrained devices. Conclusion. Innovations in AI neural networks have ushered in an era of unprecedented progress and possibilities. From deep learning architectures to transfer learning, GANs, self-supervised learning, interpretable AI, federated learning, and neuromorphic computing, these advancements continue to drive AI's evolution. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our daily lives, these innovations will not only enhance AI's capabilities but also ensure its responsible and ethical use, ultimately benefiting society as a whole. The future of AI is bright, and it's built on the foundation of these groundbreaking neural network innovations.